reason why Fuse was created was to provide a pre-professional experience for students that otherwise might not be available. So one of the first things that we do is we make sure that we have a diverse group of students with lots of different backgrounds, majors, experiences, because all of those collective experiences will shape the future of technology. In addition to that, we want to make sure that we build up the confidence that they're able to participate fully in tech and tech adjacent careers. And we do that by helping them create a regional peer network while they learn technical skills. The last piece is that we want to lean into the power of the Milwaukee Tech Coalition to provide the support that they need to be successful. We do that together.
So one of the core pillars of the Greater Milwaukee Committee is innovation and talent, and we believe in investing in the talent that's here in the Milwaukee area. And so having an opportunity to really align our strategic values and our time to help lift up the talent that's here, that we hope will stay here in Milwaukee, has become really important. By participating in the program, I think we believe that students can really grow their confidence, and that can look like their confidence in the skills as it relates to AI or data analytics, but it also means growing their confidence in their ability to show up as a professional. So they're all getting ready to step into the next chapter of their lives, and we want them to leave feeling like they know what's next for them, or they know who they can talk to figure out what's next for them. And so I think that Milwaukee is an ecosystem that really can provide those opportunities, and we're glad to be able to help provide those opportunities.
So the Fuse experience was really good. Like the three things that we really went over was data visualization, coding on Python, and then AI technology. So that really brought everything together. So just for a little background, I'm a pre-med student, so all those things are in some way involved into the medical field. So it was really interesting seeing it from a different aspect.
Like a lot of the people that I've met had like very non-linear careers, and I think it's like a really good like growth experience for me specifically, because I feel like I went into this being like, oh, I need to be perfect, I need to do everything right, but like it's not perfect. So it's nice to like see like other people also like sharing their experiences.
I know that technology is only rising and becoming so prominent in all these like careers and industries that I felt Fuse was the right spot to really start gaining that knowledge in technology, because I really didn't have it any. You should definitely take this opportunity to learn more about yourself, about the industry, about Milwaukee. I feel very blessed to have been able to partake in Fuse.
One of the important messages that came out of Fuse this summer was that the soft skills are just as important, if not more important, than having those technical skills. And being able to communicate, whether you're networking with people or communicate when giving a presentation, is just as important, like I said, if not more important, than being able to type the program and make the program run. That stuff is still important, but you can learn all that stuff on your own. Soft skills, it takes practice to learn that and to get those to where you want them to be. And I think with all the networking opportunities we've had this summer and everything else, connecting with all the industry leaders on LinkedIn, I think it has really helped.